Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different network. Now, by default, most mobile devices these days are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier or network, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have an LG V10, originally from T-Mobile here in the US, and this is a device that has not been SIM unlocked yet, as we can see as evidenced by the network lock message here that shows up. Now, that shows up because we have a SIM here inserted from Cricket, which is a prepaid provider here in the US that runs on AT&T's network. Now, if you'll also notice, after we swipe that away, the device does not ask for an unlock code there on the screen. T-Mobile devices actually stopped using unlock codes back in, I think it was maybe 2013 or 2014. And now T-Mobile instead has implemented this device unlock app procedure, whereby on all of their Android devices, they preload this application that controls the SIM unlocking. That app is actually on this phone here, and it's the one that was mentioned back in that network lock message that you saw on the lock screen. It was asking us to use the device unlock app to perform the SIM unlock to the phone so that it can work on that different carrier. So if we open up that app that comes pre-installed on the device here, we see two options, the permanent and the temporary unlock. So assuming that we would want to unlock it permanently, if we go ahead and tap the permanent button there, it'll run through and do its thing. But then it'll tell us that this device is not eligible for unlock. Now, T-Mobile will, of course, unlock the device if you meet all of the requirements. The requirements, of course, being that the device either be fully paid off or be out of contract, have no bills owed, all of that sorts of thing. So we're making this video to actually show all of our customers that we offer a way to be able to get the device SIM unlocked without having to go through T-Mobile's device unlock application. We've heard from tons of customers who either purchased a device from a seller who wasn't honest about the true status, either saying that it was unlocked when it really wasn't, or they told them that they would be able to SIM unlock the device without any problem, and then of course the person ran into this issue with the device unlock when they tried to do it for themselves. So this is a procedure that can be done for almost anyone, anywhere in the world. As long as you have a decently powerful Windows computer and a fast internet connection, we can connect directly to you and then run our computer programs and tools on the phone, which allows us to perform the unlock manually. That's actually something that I'm running right here, right now on the phone while it's plugged in here. So that should just need another minute or so. And then after it restarts, we should be able to see that the SIM lock is gone and the device does fully register and work on that SIM card that we have inserted. Before we do that, let me go and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with here. So if we go under the About Phone section, there we go. If we take a look at the hardware information, we can see that we are indeed here dealing with an H901, and that is the specific model number for the T-Mobile version of the LG V10. So the unlock program is almost finished running here. It just needs a little bit more until it restarts, and then everything should be good to go. If you want to go ahead and skip ahead to the end of the video just so you're not sitting here waiting, then that's fine. It should just take another few seconds here until it's done. Also, actually, while I'm here in the About Phone section, I should go ahead and pull up the, let's see, where is it? The software version there. Sometimes custom software can be installed on devices to mask what model it truly is. So sometimes we'll get people telling us that the device isn't actually the one that we're showing, but when you can clearly see the model number there in the software version, that does indicate that it is the true model that we say it is. So the unlock program just finished running. The phone is going to restart now, so I'm all done here. I can go ahead and unplug that. Just wait for it to run through the startup process here. We've got the T-Mobile logo there showing. And okay, so as it loads up here, we first get the lock screen. with information there. If we go ahead and swipe that away, we'll first notice that we do not have that network lock message there anymore. So that is gone. So that is a very good sign. And then if we go ahead and, let's see, well, we can jump back to the lock screen to show that. Since we have our Cricket SIM card here inserted, the network name that we're registered on, if my focus will cooperate, so it does show Cricket there at the bottom. And then if we go ahead and jump into the phone settings, we'll be able to take a closer look at that. Under status, nope, just kidding, under network, there we go. So as we can see here in the phone settings, the network that we're registered on is Cricket. We have our full LTE connection. You can obviously see the signal bars up there. So this device has now been fully SIM unlocked and is able to be used on other GSM networks. Here in the US, that would be AT&T, and then the device would also be usable on most GSM networks in other countries across the world also. So if you have a T-Mobile LG V10 and would like to get it network unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact info will be right down in the video description, and then I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.